At the moment, inaantay po ng House Committee on Justice, yun pong answer ng pangalawang Pangulo. So I think she has until this weekend and until Monday to submit her answer to the House Committee on Justice. So antayin po namin yon at the end of office hours ng Lunes, and then we will have to decide kung ano po yung next step. So in the event that the Vice President submits her answer, yung pong endorsers complainants will be given an opportunity to reply, and the Vice President will be given an opportunity to do a rejoinder. In the event po that she does not respond by Monday, the process will be shortened, abbreviated. So ibig sabihin, I think as early as the final weeks of this month, pwede po nga mag-proceed na po to a determination of sufficiency in grounds, and we can proceed to yung hearing proper na po.